Hi folks, look at this landscape. Green landscape, naturally habitated green grass on top of the hill mountain. It's on the way from Subramanya Ghati to towards Mysore. I'm passing through Coorg area. This is Belur to Somwarpet road. I love this place. I don't know if anybody owns this. It's very big landscape of grass, naturally grown grass. If you see, I can see the moisture on top of the grass. Wow, this is amazing to feel and experience. There are few cows grazing the grass. This looks very beautiful, very beautiful. There are some trees around, and this plain land with grass cover. It looks amazing to see. Let me go till that end of the hill and see what is there at the other side of the hill. Wow, I never thought I will be experiencing such beautiful things in our own backyard, Karnataka. This is the Western Ghats of Karnataka. It's between Kerala and Karnataka. It's well inside the Karnataka actually, just few kilometers away from Mangalore. Look at the cows feeding themselves the grass. I'm walking. It is not getting over. Wow, it's so refreshing and green grass covered hill. Look at this slope. Everything is covered in grass. Every bit of land is covered in grass. I reached on top of the hill place, and this is how it looks. Wow, this is amazing thing, man. This is amazing. Look at this. Either side of the hill it is covered with grass. So I think on top of the mountain somewhere there are few trees around here and there, but the entire hill is covered with grass. I feel this is a naturally grown grass. It is not planted, or it is not cultivated. It's not installed by someone. Look at my car. I parked my car there, far from here. That's my car, and I'm away from my car so far. Oh God, look at this cows eating grass. Aram se. Wow, it's a very nice place for them. I think they eat, it keep growing, they eat, keep eating, and it never gets over. It's a good food for them. There is a cowboy who take care of all these cows. Oh, ಇದು ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಗನಾ? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬೆಟ್ಟದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೆಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದಾ ಹುಲ್ಲು? ಸಗದಾಗಿದಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಇದು ಸಮ್ಮರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಣಗೋಗುತ್ತಾ? ಒಣಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೀಗಿದೆ. ಮಳೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಫುಲ್ ಹಸಿರಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ತಿಂದರೂ ಕರಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು? ಹಸುಗಳು ಡೈಲಿ ತಿಂತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. Oh man, What a place! What a place! I don't know. I never had any idea of coming this side and witnessing all these things. I was on my way back from Dharmasthala to Bangalore. I thought of we will go and visit Mysore. So that's the reason I took Bisla Ghat from Ghati Subramanya, where it is Kukke Subramanya. I visited the temple there, and then after finishing the temple visit, I took this Bisla Ghat and then came this side. And I'm very fortunate to witness this new beauty of nature in Western Ghats. Wow, people are enjoying it, and this is naturally grown grass. It's not artificially planted. There are many places like this in Karnataka, Western Ghats. We have abundance of nature, beauty, which we have not seen. This I have never seen. I have never seen this in my entire life. I am 47 years now in Karnataka, and I never thought there is something like this exist. Oh, people can enjoy this. Seriously, a nice place to visit and fill your eyes with a beauty exist in the nature. God created nature. Wow. Amazing thing. There are lots of amazing things in around us which we don't know. People go far countries to searching and to see those places, but we have not explored our own backyards. What we have here, you don't have to go to foreign countries to see the beauty. You have lots of beauty in our own country. Thank you guys. I just happened to stop my car here because I saw this huge landscape of grass, and I thought of checking it out, and I enjoyed myself. People, this place is called what is this place? Beluru. Kusuburu Grama. Konchammana Bane. This is the place. If you want to visit on this road and enjoy, you can. Thank you.